Hey, tech enthusiasts, get ready to dive into the latest scoop on Samsung's hottest release, the Galaxy S24 series. The official announcement just went down, leaving us all buzzing with excitement. The big question, is the Korean giant's latest flagship worth your hard-earned bucks? Well, we got the lowdown on the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and the powerhouse S24 Ultra set to hit the shelves on January 31. But hold on, folks, the tech world doesn't wait. Even before the release, tests are already underway, covering everything from performance to battery life and camera quality. And guess what? We've got the juicy details on early testing, revealing some surprises and potential pitfalls. Picture this, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, with its impressive zoom capabilities, might be facing some challenges with inconsistent camera performance and lower picture quality at zoom levels beyond 10x+. There's the talk of thermal throttling on overdrive, despite a hefty 1.9x larger vapor chamber. And here's the kicker. This isn't just about the hardware battle between Exynos and Snapdragon chips. The S24 and S24 Plus seem to be dancing to a different tune, without this thermal throttling feature. Now, don't jump to conclusions just yet. Many experts and reviewers haven't got their hands on the retail units. Could that be the missing link in the puzzle? Fear not, Samsung is on the case. They're rolling out software updates to fine-tune and optimize the Galaxy S flagship lineup. We've got the inside scoop. The first update is dropping later this week, and rumor has it that it's a game changer. Leaks are pointing towards a Galaxy S24 series update scheduled for January 23. What's on the agenda? Boosting performance and enhancing camera functionalities. The best part, this update might come preloaded on your shiny new Galaxy S24, or you can snag it straight out of the box. With major upgrades, especially on the Ultra model, Samsung might be playing the software game to ensure your device works like a charm. So should you hit that buy now button, we're breaking down the pros and cons, the potential hiccups, and the magic of upcoming updates. Whether you're eyeing the Galaxy S24 for its sleek design, powerhouse performance, or killer camera, we've got you covered. The Samsung Galaxy S24 series is creating waves, and we've got the inside scoop on the numbers and benchmarks that'll blow your mind. Hold on tight, because this year's pre-bookings in India hit a staggering 2.5 lakh in just 3 days. Yep, you heard it right, making it the most successful launch in the Galaxy S series history. Let's put that into perspective. Last year with the Galaxy S23 series, it took Samsung a whole 3 weeks to get the same pre-booking numbers in India. Now, that's what we call a massive leap forward. Although Samsung hasn't spilled the beans on which models stole the show, our bets are on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the powerhouse of the series. And the pre-order bonuses? Well, they're playing a familiar tune. Just like last year, snagged a higher storage model at the same price. It looks like folks are loving the upgrades, and who can blame them? This positive response is projected to catapult Samsung's annual growth for the S series, boosting its market share from 26% in 2023 to a hopping 28%, giving Apple a run for its money. Now let's shift gears to the real geeky stuff, benchmark tests. The excitement post-Galaxy S24 series launch is reaching its peak, and we're diving into some early benchmark insights. Our buddy, YouTuber Noel, dropped a mind-blowing video pitting all 3 Galaxy S24 models against each other in a heavyweight division of benchmarking apps, Geekbench 6 and 22 and 3D Mark. The Exynos 2400 chip powers the S24 and S24 Plus, while the S24 Ultra boasts a slightly overclocked version of Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Keep in mind, folks, these bad boys are running on pre-release firmware, so expect some twists and turns compared to the final consumer-ready versions. But fear not, we're still getting a sneak peek into the raw power of Samsung's new chipset against Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Geekbench 6 spilled the beans, a narrow lead for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in both single-core and multi-core scores. Don't worry, it's just a squeak of an advantage. But wait, the GPU test flipped the script. The Exynos 2400 of the S24 and S24 Plus outshone the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It's proof that when it comes to graphical prowess, Samsung's chip takes the lead. Antutu tests, on the other hand, crowned the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 inside the S24 Ultra, but the gap between the two giants is still pretty tight. Let's dive into the tech trenches with the 3D Mark Slingshot stress test, where we're turning up the heat with ray tracing. Hold on to your seats, folks, because we got some jaw-dropping insights. The Exynos-powered S24 and S24 Plus models are stealing the show, showcasing a clear win in this ray tracing battleground. Samsung's in-house chip flexes its muscles, not just in raw power, but also in thermal management, outshining its Snapdragon rival. But the real plot twist comes in the wildlife extreme test. The S24 Ultra swoops in for a marginal win, Surprise, surprise. Even though the Exynos devices flaunted better stability during the tests, the Ultra model manages to secure the crown in the extreme wildlife arena. Now, let's talk numbers. Brace yourselves, tech enthusiasts. The Exynos 2400 processor is giving Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 a run for its money. We're talking a mere 10% difference in raw performance. Samsung has seriously upped its game, proving that the Exynos chips are no longer playing second fiddle. The flagship Exynos 2400 processor is now standing shoulder to shoulder with Qualcomm's best. It's a testament to Samsung's dedication to pushing the boundaries of design and performance. Hold your horses, we've got a disclaimer. Yes, all three phones are still rocking pre-release firmware. But hey, Samsung has pulled off a remarkable feat with the Exynos variant. This revelation might just sway some Galaxy buyers towards the more budget-friendly option like the trusty vanilla S24. And trust me, folks, it's not just about the numbers on paper. I put the S24 through its paces, juggling multiple apps seamlessly, and it felt nothing short of blisteringly quick. Oh, and did I mention it handled ray tracing effects and supported games like a boss? Now let's talk storage, the age-old dilemma. Samsung sticks to its guns with choices of 256, 512, and 1 terabyte, all based on that ever-important price tag. My vote this year? The sweet spot is that lush 512 gigs. Battery life? Well, that's a cliffhanger, my friends. We'll have to save that for the full review. What I can spill now is that the 5000 mAh battery is a beast, holding its ground just like last year's model. And here's the kicker. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 promises more efficiency, but don't forget to pack your own power brick because Samsung's not throwing one in the box anymore. The phone can handle 45 watts, which is decent, although a tad shy of the speed demons coming out of China. Let's dive deep into the powerhouse that is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This device has truly evolved into Samsung's ultimate do-it-all flagship since inheriting the Galaxy Note's S Pen abilities. Now, not everyone may need its productivity-centric skills, but those who do can't help but swear by them. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is shaping up to be more of the same brilliance, but with a touch of luxury, thanks to its sleek switch to titanium. It's like the S23 Ultra, but on a premium steroids diet. Now, if you're rocking the S23 Ultra, I've got a nugget for you. Upgrading might not be the top priority this year. Why? Because the best features of the S24 Ultra, including its smart capabilities and Galaxy AI, are set to hit your S23 Ultra through a software update later in 2024. And it's not just for the S23 Ultra squad. This applies to anyone holding onto an S23, S23 Plus, Z Flip 5, Z Fold 5, or the Tab S9 Ultra. Even the S22 Ultra gang won't be missing out on massive upgrades. The S Pen, stellar screen, and Samsung experiences are holding strong, making the incremental updates a bit of a luxury rather than a necessity. Unless, of course, you're feeling those gaming slowdowns. In that case, the new Snapdragon CPU might just be the performance boost you've been waiting for. So that's the lowdown on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, an incremental upgrade for the most part, but with some juicy new features that I'm itching to put to the test. If you're as excited as I am, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring that bell icon. I'll be covering it all from comparisons to in-depth explorations. Now, here's the real tech talk. How do you feel about the latest benchmark results of the Exynos chipset? Is it a worthy competitor to the latest Snapdragon? Let me know in the comments below. For more tech updates, keep an eye on our channel and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, peace out and stay tuned for the next tech adventure.